In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can download GTA San Andreas on your PC. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to download GTA San Andreas on your PC, first of all, you want to go to Google, and then what you want to type in is Rockstar Games. Okay, type in Rockstar Games, then hit search, and you want to go to the first result and click on Rockstar Games. Okay, you want to make sure that you signed into your account so that when you purchase the game, it gets credited to your account. But basically what you want to do is click on search, and you can search for games, and you want to type in here GTA San Andreas, and then click on to search. Okay, so that's searching my current store. So what you want to do is click on store right there at the top, and that'll take you into the Rockstar Games store. And in the search bar, you want to type GTA San Andreas, and I typed that wrong. Okay, once you type in GTA San Andreas, you could click on see all results, and then you'll see all the games right here. And then if you scroll down, okay, so I'm not seeing it in an individual game, but what you can do is you can purchase the trilogy here. This one's quite expensive, so I'd go for this one for $5.39. Okay, so that'll be GTA San Andreas. And then the next way to do it is to go onto Steam, and you can go to the Steam store, and you can search the store and type in GTA, and then hit enter. And there you can see there GTA San Andreas. You can just click on that, and that includes 3 games. You enter in your date of birth, then you view the page, and then you'll be able to go ahead and add it to your cart and purchase it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.